In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fog lights on your Toyota Tundra. Remove the three 10mm bolts under the front bumper. Pull the fender liner back. Remove the fog light bulb connector. Pinch the little tab on the back and pull straight out. Using a screwdriver, we're going to push out on that tab. We're going to push the light forward. And then we're going to go behind and we're going to pry on that left spot. Put your little screwdriver in there and then push the fog light out through the front of the bumper. Pull the fog light out. Install the new fog light. Line the nubs up with the channels on the side. Push it until it clicks into place. Install the connector. Push it until it clicks. Give it a pull and make sure it's securely on there. Install the fender liner into the little clip and install your 10mm screws.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.